there.
What did you
Okay.
say?
I cook dried fish, swan, egg,
Oh, very, very, very good.
swan, maybe, I have banana. I buy banana for my mom here, and I bring lanzones, camote.
Can you show me? Can you say very good? Can you show?
Some
I buy a lot of banana here, camote. Yeah, camote. Oh,
Wow, very nice.
here.
Yes,
My son is already eat the food dinner.
very good.
He brings me in Kogon. He likes in Kogon. It's fresh air and so many plants, so many chicken roaster.
Did he enjoy?
Wow, let me get
Did he enjoy the in there?
Yeah, he's into eating. Okay, look, my son eating.
Hi. Hello. Enjoy your eating.
Eat well, okay? Not eat. I'm
Enjoy
sorry, sorry.
your what did you cook for your son?
Now, in the lunch, I cook diwit, mackerel. I will preto highs.
I'm okra.
He's happy.
And
Okra, I always eat okra.
I have
Uh,
fish soup with okra and then rice.
wow. Another day pagkaon yours.
Yes, I put alobati on it.
I'll spend my time to my son in New Zealand.
Okay, very good. You spend your time. Because next week we
Yeah.
will be going back to New Zealand and then
Yeah.
you will see him again next year.
Yeah. He's excited. Maybe he will back there and I will teach him how to drive motorbike, car. If he has license already.
Okay, you can teach him how to drive a car in the
Yeah.
countryside because there's not a lot of cars in there anyways. It's safe for him to drive and practice. And then next time he can drive by himself to go to Kogan and see you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's happy to see me.
He went there yesterday, but you were not there. So glad you see him again
Yeah.
today.
I'm busy planting calamansi, papaya.
Very good.
No.
Mom, it's so good to speak English to your son. You know, he's speaking very good English.
Yeah. Because English major, English. I'm fluent already. You know, I'm fluent to speak English.
Yeah, I know. You're very good in speaking English. I know that.
You know, before when I was a soldier, I was an interpreter of the U.S. Army and the U.S. Marines.
Mm.
I'm the interpreter of the Philippine soldier.
Ibutang ang camera sa mong nawong doon, hindi ka makita. Anak lang ka, anak lang ka.
Boy, si mama, ako may dala sa bukid.
Pag ginalipay, yung kung
Ako lang may
magkabanding mo
dala.
sa imong anak doon.
Oo.
Mm.
Dito may Eco Park. Makita rin mo na niya. Oh, nagpalit mo ko. Oh, pagi na hinog ni mama. I love my mom.
Mm, good. I know you love
I
your
don't
mother. Our mother. I know that.
Yeah.
Nagkuhan ko doon, nagtula kong isda nga salmon, then gilambugan akong okra o alugbate. May kain.
Wow.
Mm.
Kung saan isda, ana?
Ha?
Kung saan isda?
Salmon nga isda, salmon. Salmon nga isda, lamig kayo. Wow, sus, lamig kayo sudan doon, kanton. Ano sa kikaon ni Aisor karon? Kanton pod, kanton og isa to digi.
Dili bulad ulit yun. Scrambled egg, dried fish, at saka ade, laki mi beef soft. This one.
Pero makaon din na siya kanang dried fish.
Tao, ganahan siya.
Hmm? Wala ka di siya mamili dahil sudan eh.
Dili, ikaw mas dili. Nga, dili na mamili.
Gi-training na siya ginahan. Agi unsa man nimo gikuha nimo na siya sa iyang balay or siya naming ana da sa balay?
Oh. Laki na bit pa rin.
Don gi unsa man nimo gikuha nimo siya sa iyang balay or ang ana lang siya da sa balay sa ni mama?
Your money is coming.
Ha?
I don't know, is performance shooting or...
Hindi ko magawa.
Yun, klaro lang. Baka rin ako, bibig ko.
Nag-isip ko ang ginin ko.
Hindi, oh.
Ay, tugno kay diri sa England. Sige ulan.
Yun. Imong mama yos, malipayon.
I know. She's very
Ah?
happy.
Oh. Imong inahan, malipayon?
Lagi.
After you bring that to the mother.
Mayo kay nagbanding mo kang
Yours,
adlawa.
Oh, may kayo mong English imong mama yours.
Mm. Paligwa pa na sa dagat sa ulingan doon.
I know.
Isa?
I will bring that in the ocean to swimming.
Yeah. You should bring him to
Take a bath.
Ulingan Beach.
This is the full of your mother.
Oh. Di lang ako kung exam na ko. Yours. Your mom eat well. She's excited.
Very good.
She's excited if I'm here together with his her.
Her long lost grandson. Bubalik daw siya sa next year doon. He will come back there next year.
Oh, wait. Ano ba? Diba? You died, okay? Buto ka na. Wala ito yun.
I will say goodbye soon so you can spend time with your son.
Chak-chak.
Doon.
Virgin
Na-blurred
Russell.
na ka doon. Na-blurred na oh.